Join me as I take on the challenge of detoxing like a pro after a serious food coma. Can I bounce back and feel amazing again? So, we've all been there. You wake up after a big meal or a night out, feeling like you've been hit by a truck, and all you want to do is roll over and go back to sleep. This, my friends, is a food coma, and it's the worst. But the good news is that there's a way to bounce back, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. What's a food coma? A food coma, or post-meal slump, is that sleepy, sluggish feeling after a big meal. Here's why it happens. After eating a carbohydrate-heavy meal, your body releases insulin to manage blood sugar. This process triggers the production of serotonin and melatonin in the brain, which can make you feel sleepy. Digestion takes over. Blood flow shifts to your stomach, leaving less for your brain. You might feel like you've been drained of all your energy, and even getting out of bed feels like a monumental task. But what's really going on here is that your body is working overtime to process all the extra calories and toxins you've consumed. It's like your body is saying, hey, I need to devote all my resources to dealing with this influx of junk, so hang tight, brain, while I get to work. Heavy foods, meals rich in fats, carbohydrates, or large protein portions, are more likely to trigger food comas. Turkey, for example, contains tryptophan, which enhances drowsiness when combined with other heavy foods. Overeating, consuming excessive amounts of food, places stress on the digestive system and zaps your energy, making the body work harder and causing fatigue. And then there's the lack of motivation. When you're in a food coma, it can be hard to muster up the energy to do anything, let alone tackle your to-do list or hit the gym. You might feel like you're stuck in a rut, and that's because your body is literally stuck in a state of inflammation and sluggishness. Sure, lying on the couch feels tempting, but that post-meal fatigue is your body's way of saying it needs a reset. Less junk, more care. Research indicates that a significant portion of the population experiences postprandial somnolence, commonly known as a food coma, following substantial meals. For instance, a study involving Brazilian truck drivers found that those who consumed larger meals reported increased sleepiness and fatigue compared to those who ate smaller portions. Additionally, a study on adolescents revealed that digestive fatigue from large meals can negatively impact cognitive performance, suggesting that many individuals may experience some form of post-meal drowsiness. These findings imply that a notable number of people experience food comas after consuming large meals, though exact prevalence rates are not well documented. So how do you bounce back from a food coma and start feeling like yourself again? For me, it all starts with hydration. I'm talking water, herbal tea, and lots of it. When you're dehydrated, your body can't function at its best, and that's only going to exacerbate the symptoms of a food coma. So, drink up, friends. Next up, it's time to get moving. I know. It's the last thing you want to do when you're feeling like a sloth. But trust me, it's essential. You don't have to go out and run a marathon or anything crazy like that. Just take a short walk, do a few jumping jacks, or hit up a gentle yoga flow. The point is to get your blood flowing and your lymphatic system pumping again. Another key to detoxing like a pro is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. I'm talking fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are the foods that are going to help your body reset and rebalance after a period of indulgence. So, ditch the junk food and processed snacks, and opt for nourishing foods that'll make you feel like a brand new person. I've got a personal success story that I want to share with you guys. A few months ago, I had a major food coma after a weekend of birthday celebrations. I was feeling sluggish, bloated, and just plain miserable. But I decided to take matters into my own hands and try a gentle detox protocol. I hydrated like crazy, did some light yoga and meditation, and focused on whole foods for a few days. And you know what? It worked like a charm. I was back to my normal self in no time, and I felt amazing. There's actually some science-backed evidence that supports the idea of detoxing after a food coma. Studies have shown that reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body can have a major impact on our overall health and well-being. One of the most important takeaways I've learned from my own experiences with food comas is the importance of listening to my body. When I'm feeling sluggish or tired, it's usually because I've been pushing myself too hard or neglecting my own needs. So, take this as a reminder to tune into your own body and listen to what it's telling you. If you need a rest day, take it. If you need to skip that extra slice of cake, skip it. Your body will thank you, trust me. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you've got a personal story about bouncing back from a food coma, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and wellness content. See you in the next video.